Hey guys, and welcome back to Misha's Corner. So today I'm going to show you guys another how-to video. I'm going to show you guys how to make mayonnaise from scratch. So let's get started. These are some of the ingredients, all of the ingredients that you're going to need. You're going to need 2 eggs, spicy brown mustard, white vinegar, salt and pepper. That's it. A lot of people add lemon juice, but it's optional and I don't have any today, so I'm going without. This is how I separate my egg whites from my egg yolks. It's pretty simple. You can't mess it up. Or if you're not comfortable, just pour it in your hand and let the egg whites drip through your fingers and your yolk will be nice and ready to go. And I do this real quick and fast and easy because I've been doing it for so long, but I made sure I do it twice so you guys can really see how you get the whites separated from the yolks. As you guys know, well, some of you know that mayo has a lot of oil in there and you're going to need a lot of oil for this recipe. So to your mixer, you want to add your egg yolks, your mustard, and your vinegar, and you want to mix that together to combine for about 30 seconds before we start drizzling in the oil. Now guys, you need to drizzle that oil as slow as slow as you can, as you're about to see in a minute, as slow as you can get it, and until it's all gone, and then your mixture is going to be nice and fluffy and perfect mayo. So yeah, nice slow drizzle, guys. Alright you guys, so this is mayo, but again I want to apologize, my camera died so I had to switch to my cell phone. And so this is what it looks like. I'm going to season it with salt and pepper. Season it however you want. If you want to take it to the next level, you can add tons of herbs, chopped garlic, grated garlic. Some grated garlic, y'all, will be so bomb down in here. But this video is just to straight up show you guys how to make mayonnaise from scratch. So I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you made it this far, please don't forget to subscribe. Give me a thumbs up. And I'll catch you guys on my next video. Bye, guys.